Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Art Therapy with Dr. Shivani Khaitan. These are very close to my heart. They're called the Tibetan bells, also. Um, it's just they have a different version to our Indian version. Um, so, when I was doing this, I received a message saying, probably our emotions are somewhere blocked today in some place. तो अगर आज आपको किसी ने कुछ बोला है कुछ ख़राब लगा है so time to release that anything that is making you feel bad or making you feel negative or not making you go ahead, please release that. And you can say that with me: I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. Please release this negative emotion from my body, mind, soul, heart, and fill me up with unconditional love and replace it with unconditional love for all. And you can see yourself releasing that emotion and giving love and healing to the person you were feeling negative about. And you will see the vibe and the frequency of your thought process will instantly change. So this is one way of knowing myself, what was blockages that I could have helped you with. So I hope you're doing your gratitude jar journey. So again, before you start a lesson, आपने एक gratitude जिस चीज़ के लिए भी आज आप feel कर रहे हैं, you have to put that in the jar to give it the starting of the story of the lesson. And the lesson for today is, so we all have something, positive in our lives. Whether we think about it or not about it, हम सबकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव ज़रूर होता है जो हमें स्ट्रेंथन करता है, हमारे को, हमारे कैरेक्टर को, हमारी वैल्यूज़ को, व्हाट वी आर. सो व्हाट इज़ वन थिंग टुडे द टास्क ऑफ द आर्ट थेरेपी इज़, कोई एक चीज़ जो आपको लगता है मेरी लाइफ में बहुत पॉजिटिव है, समथिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव इन माई लाइफ टुडे, you have to paint that. Now, you can paint the feeling, you can paint the emotions, you can paint how it makes you feel, you can paint any quote that is coming with it, anything coming in writing. You can definitely do that at the back of it, or you can do at a place where you can just do the writing part of it. But the point in doing that is that these positive moments, these positive things in our life help us to recollect ourselves as a person. We all go through our emotions every day. We have emotions running in our mind, we have emotions running in our bodies, we have emotions running and making us do things which sometimes probably we are not very happy about. But the best thing you can do is you can just witness your emotions as they are coming, and you don't have to react to them always. Why this emotion and why this? Just witness it. First, you have to just witness it. This is very much parallel to जब हम किसी को कुछ बताते हैं या किसी से हम कुछ कह रहे होते हैं. Not that the person is always looking for an answer. Sometimes when someone is sharing something with us, we can just be a witness to it. You don't have to always come up with a solution for that person, you don't have to come solution for whatever they said. You can just acknowledge it by just being there and witnessing what they said, and listen to probably also things they did not voice it out, but you can feel it. Because in any case, you are going, we all have humanity inside, whether we are angry, not angry. And sometimes in spur of a moment we do things, we don't realize how the other person is feeling. So seeing things from their point of view is also sometimes a good thing to do. So today, when I am touching upon all these aspects of understanding the humanity, or understanding that every time I don't have to answer to a sharing, I can just be a witness to them. And understanding to understand what is positive in my life that keeps me going as a person, that keeps me, my values intact as a person, whatever your name is, whatever you are, how does that help you to be who you are? So today we are exploring that part of our life where we are trying to see what is positive in our life, and then we are trying to portray that on the paper. And that will be a very good reflection to you at who you are and where you're coming from. So I hope you have a great lesson. I hope you enjoy the lesson. I hope you enjoy sharing your lesson and listening to other people's thought process. Because through this art therapy, especially this gratitude series, we're trying to touch upon places, ideas, thoughts, which in our everyday normal life we didn't have time to appreciate or even think about. So I hope you enjoy the lesson. Have a great day. Namaskar.